Hey everyone, this is from Base Studios. Today, I'm going to show you how to add animations and interactions to your project. You start by pressing the Action menu to enter this special mode. Notice how the grid background is darkened and the highlighting frame turns to orange. This is to let you know that you're in this special mode. There are two key concepts at the core of this feature. This is what we refer as events and behaviors. Events defines the timing in which you want certain actions to be performed. And behaviors defines what those actions are. Supported events are categorized in three different types. Displayed for when the object is being shown, gestures for touch interactions from the user, and customs for timing specifics to the object. Behaviors comes in two types. Animations where all objects can be animated in and out of the screen. And custom behaviors that are specific to the object selected. Let's try to set up some animations to show you how it can be done. You start by selecting the object that you want to apply the animation to. Then you open the Action menu. I'm going to set this animation so it starts when the object is being displayed. Notice how by selecting on-page show as the event, only animations are being displayed for behavior. This is because at the moment, it only makes sense to pair animations to this timing event. So let's go ahead and select the object to be moved in when the page is first being shown. In this screen, you can specify the duration of the animation, as well as the moving direction of the animation. You could also specify a delay for when the animation will start. Once you're done, click on Done, and we can go preview it. Synchronization among display animations is also supported. Once you have multiple objects that animates during on-page show, you'll be able to see the list of the objects that are connected to this timing. By enabling the chain behavior, this allows the animation to be synchronized. What it means is that you'll play the first animation and you will wait until the first animation finishes before playing the second ones. Let's see how that works. Now let's try to set up an animation that is user-driven. Once again, I select the object that I want to apply the animation to. Go to my Action menu. Now, instead of starting from the event, I'm going to start setting this from the behavior. So I'm going to add a new animation to it. I'm going to make it fade out. And I'm going to hook this to the double tap. Once again, I can set up the duration of my animation and also a delay if I wish to. Now that I'm done, I can go to preview mode. So double tapping on the image will trigger it to fade out. As you can see, you can easily set up animations and custom behaviors, either by starting from the event or starting from the behavior. Let's try to set up a custom event on a custom behavior. I'm going to select my text box for that purpose. The unselected text custom event allows you to define a set of keywords that you want to trigger an action when the user tap on any of those keywords. As a custom behavior, it can link and display any website when the event is being triggered. This particular screen allows you to define the sets of keywords for your selection event. You can either type in the keyword or you can select it from the text box. You can select the words or an entire section. Once you're done with your selection, just tap on the inspector again. As you can see, the list of keywords are being added to your tags for this event. Once you're done, now you just need to provide the website that you want to link this event to. As you can see, this window will allow you to preview what the site will look like. Just click done when you're done. Let's go preview it. Editing existing events and behavior can be done by accessing the Event and Behavior Inspector. To edit the behavior, I'll access it from this menu. To edit the event, I'll access it from this tab. So there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please direct them to team@flambestudios.com. Thank you.